Right. Let me talk you through the kind of the key aspects here. So, first things first is the sort of the full scale of the system that you're looking to simulate, right? So wind farms always work really, really well. If you haven't got a kind of a genuine reason to do something, you're just doing it for the purposes of kind of learning or playing around. Wind farms always look great, right? Because the one thing that works really, really well in VR is scale, right? Because of the sort of the 3D and the immersive nature of it, having really big wind turbines always just look very dramatic and very cool, right? So it just brings your experience to life, right? Now, I never say that to my kind of energy customers, but we always try and do this because it just looks nice. You can just have that kind of wind farm going there, and you can see lots of them. So you get a real kind of sense of, okay, so we're now working on this particular wind farm and we want to develop the kind of the place that maybe they want to find out the most efficient place in this location to place another turbine.